Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make healthy living simple, delicious, and of course festive. Today I've got 3 super easy, all-natural Christmas dessert ideas. These are not only good for you, but taste amazing. Whether you're hosting a holiday party or just looking for something sweet to enjoy with your family, these recipes are sure to impress. So let's jump right in. Recipe 1, no-bake chocolate nut bliss balls. Alright, let's kick things off with something that's seriously foolproof. These no-bake chocolate nut bliss balls are packed with wholesome ingredients and they're ready in minutes. Here's what you'll need. Dates, nuts, cocoa powder, coconut oil, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and some shredded coconut for that final festive touch. Just throw everything, except the shredded coconut, into a food processor. Blend it up until you've got a sticky, chocolatey mixture. Then, roll them into little bite-sized balls and coat them in the shredded coconut. Pop them in the fridge for an hour, and voila! You've got the perfect grab-and-go holiday treat. They're rich, chocolatey, and totally guilt-free. Plus, they look like little snowballs. Who doesn't love that? Recipe 2, honey roasted pears with cinnamon. Now let's move on to something warm and cozy. Honey roasted pears with cinnamon. This one is a total showstopper, but takes almost zero effort. Take some ripe pears, slice them in half, and scoop out the core. Lay them on a baking dish, drizzle with honey, and sprinkle on a mix of cinnamon and nutmeg. If you're feeling fancy, toss some crushed walnuts on top for that extra crunch. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, and your whole house will smell like Christmas. Serve them warm with a dollop of Greek yogurt or coconut cream. It's like dessert, but classy and actually healthy. Recipe 3, festive berry chia pudding. Alright, for my final recipe, we've got something a little more colorful. Festive berry chia pudding. This one's perfect if you're planning ahead because you can make it the night before. Mix chia seeds, almond milk, a splash of vanilla, and a little maple syrup or honey in a bowl. Stir it up, let it sit for 10 minutes, and stir again so it doesn't clump. Then pop it in the fridge overnight. When you're ready to serve, layer the pudding with fresh or frozen berries in a glass or jar. Top it with pomegranate seeds and a sprig of mint, and you've got a dessert that looks like a Christmas ornament, but way tastier. And there you have it, 3 healthy, all-natural Christmas desserts that are easy to make, taste incredible, and bring a little holiday cheer to your table. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first, or if you've got a go-to healthy holiday recipe, I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my festive content this season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.